Starting a business is difficult. Only do it if you have grit. करने की चाह सब में होती है. कर कुछ लोग पाते. India के अंदर 98% of startups don't get funded. As a creator, because you're not just creator of content, you're a creator of life. As a creator and a person who is living, without stories, you are nothing, right? So storytelling has to be there.
But then at the end of the day, if you're not a great storyteller, you'll never be able to create a good film,
Exactly.
a brand or anything. One word for Mac.
Creative.
Creativity.
People.
Entrepreneurship.
Difficult.
Woman in this creative industry.
Needs to be more.
Hey everyone, I am Mala Haldar and you are listening to Mac Rendered, where we bring you real stories from real creators, innovators and industry leaders. And this is episode 3. You know, every student starts with a dream. Some dream of making it big in the creative industry. कुछ बच्चों का सपना होता है अपना नाम मूवी के क्रेडिट्स में देखना. While some dream of creating something of their own that leaves a long-lasting impact. Today's guest has exactly done that. Joining us today is a Mac alumnus, an entrepreneur and an innovation strategist. Chahat is the founder of A Square Capital and is recognized as one of the leading women entrepreneurs with many international and national recognitions. Please welcome Chahat Agarwal. Chahat, let's start from the beginning.
Yeah.
How did it start with Mac?
I studied previously in Sydney, and when I wanted to go into filmmaking, I decided that I need a bit more hands-on experience, and that's when Mac actually was a saving grace. So when I joined Mac, my ideology was I wanted to be a director at that time. I was always keen in building things up, storytelling and solving problems, right? So at that time, you know, we see movies, we see animation, we see cartoons, we see anime. So that becomes an outlet of creativity because that's what we know growing up. So hence Mac became a very integral part of that journey.
So what are your fondest memories of Mac?
I would say the friendships I made. So there are actually lifelong friendships I have from Mac, and which still sustains after a decade, I would say, more than a decade now.
Are you still in touch with them?
They're my best friends.
Oh.
So yeah, it's been a tremendous journey, and what's been lovely is seeing everyone's growth after that, right? And how all of us found our own path in the industry and cultivated our strong suits that we discovered at time during studying.
So Mac is basically about that vibe, you know. So it is just not about your software or your course, but those beautiful memories which you create.
I think for me at least, Mac is not, what you said is rightly so. Just to expand on that, I think more than just memories, it's people right?
Yeah.
तो आपको एक जगह चाहिए होती है जहाँ पे you can enhance and challenge yourself when it comes to creativity. और आपकी surrounding बहुत matter करती है. So if you are surrounded by creative people, they can be creative in 100 different aspects. Right?
Yeah.
Someone is good in sketching. I remember one of the, actually while talking, I just realized it. One of the early days in Mac, there was this person who saw me, and random student, and he sketched me.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and I used to, so in Sydney, I was the student of the year. I was like literally a golden child. I used to think I'm the best, like so talented, koi hai nahi. But when I came to India and I joined Mac, when I saw the amount of talent, creativity, and even the skills that I could never thought कि normal लोगों के पास होते हैं,
Mac में आपको मिला.
मुझे वहाँ पे सब में दिखा. So that helped me challenge myself and made me into, like, it kind of pushed me to increase my creativity outlet as well.
Wow, amazing. चाहत कब लगा आपको कि मुझे entrepreneur बनना है या कुछ अपना create करना है?
I think that building a startup is a very difficult journey.
Yes.
And I think मैं सबसे ज़्यादा stress तभी रही हूँ जब मैं ये कर रही थी. I'm so glad I'm an investor now. But it's not an easy task. And at least for me, that was never my goal. But what my goal is to solve problems,
Okay.
right? If I see a gap, right, I need to solve it. So similarly, that came in AI for me, in artificial intelligence. When I saw a gap, and I can't code anything, by the way, let me be clear.
Oh.
At all.
Okay.
My background, as you know, is in creatives. So I can't code anything.
But I guess you started an AI company even before OpenAI is and all.
Yes, exactly. I started it. So there were only 2 companies in the world. One was mine, one was in US, and the US one acquired us.
Oh, wow.
So, but the thing is, the idea is to solve a problem, right? वही gap.
Irrespective of the industry.
Exactly. And you have to be creative. Still, money is just a tool. It's how you use it matters, right?
And you actually get to see beyond the horizons, you know?
Exactly.
कुछ बाहर, कुछ अलग.
Like you get to see everything from ground all the way till up.
Correct. हाँ.
So, coming from that habit, what I did on OYO was, although I was a part of the brand team, I was like, नहीं मुझे सब जानना है. So I used to sit with finance team, with operations team. I think I was the most chaotic person in that company who just went around and wanted to learn everything. Right? Because of that, even I could contribute the most to the company. And at the same time, I learned skill sets which I could utilize in my own startup.
I think, Chahat, this is something which is very interesting. You know, what happens, you know, when anyone joins a company?
Yeah.
So, it is just our own KPIs. You know, उसके beyond हमको लगता है कि हम क्यों करें? वो हमारा काम नहीं है. But then at the end of the day, I think that is what helps. In the longer run.
I completely agree with you. And I think वो एक learning capability and ability to understand कि आपको किसी ने problem statement दिए सिर्फ उसको solve करने की बजाय you yourself should be able to see the gaps for yourself as a person and add value. There was a statement I read somewhere, I don't remember who said it, कि people tend to be successful but it would be more valuable if people tend to be of value. So become a person of value than a person of success. Right?
You'll have to repeat this once again for the audience.
Be the person of value instead of person of success. So I remember I went to this, there's a studio tour Mac does for their last year students, right?
Yes.
So हमने studio tour किया था. I'm forgetting the name of the studios right now, but there was one studio which we saw 2 different studios. I'll tell you the story of each. First one we went to, it was so creative. वहाँ पे सबका अपना open desk था. That was the first time I saw the open desk concept. I come up from a very traditional business family, so it's like very hierarchical everywhere. वहाँ पे नहीं था, right, in that studio. So everyone had their own way of decorating the desk, everything. The one that made Life of Pi, I remember, that was सब कुछ चल रहा था. So it was beautiful, right? तो मुझे था कि बस this is what I want to do. Like I love this. This is the environment. But then we went to another studio. I think there were 10 times more people in that studio, the second one, right? But it was, everyone was a lot more engaged in work than just conversation, right? And I could see that while the first studio is only doing 1 or 2 movies, the second one was doing, I think, 50 movies at the same time. But at that moment, there was a realization in me that if I ever start a company, I want the first one.
Yeah.
At that time, I had this understanding, if I work or even if I build my own business, I want an open culture जहाँ पे conversations matter. Storytelling is a very integral part.
Very important.
Right. Of whether it's a business, it's
a movie, anything, a portfolio, anything, relationship, anything.
Yeah, like as a creator, because you're not just creator of content, you're a creator of life. As a creator and a person who is living, without stories, you are nothing, right? So storytelling has to be there. If I tell you, when startups pitch me, right? Storytelling is or क्या?
Exactly.
Yeah, they get like 30 minutes.
How impressive your story is.
Exactly, that's it. If you're able to make the other person understand the value of the story you're bringing in or not, that's it.
Right.
उसी story पे आपकी movies काम करती हैं, आपके animations काम करते हैं. Ads are, I love ad making. I think it's one of the best things ever on this planet. And along with that, same goes for your business.
Right.
चाहे आप sales कर रहे हो, चाहे
कुछ
आप
भी
investor को
करें,
pitch कर रहे हो, you have to have a storytelling. And more than that, even to retain your own employees, there has to be storytelling for
That the
them
kahani
too.
has to be beautiful.
Exactly.
Yeah, storytelling is important.
Yes.
Right. Amazing. Chahat, what message you would like to give to the young entrepreneurs or probably people, or Mac students जो अभी शायद अपना कुछ तो course कर रहे हैं, but in the back of the mind, they want to start their own studio or company.
Look, I'm gonna give a very honest feedback on this. Starting a business is difficult. Only do it if you have grit. वो होता है ना, करने की चाह इस सब
कि
में
करना
होती
ही
है.
है मुझे.
करने की चाह सब में होती है, कर कुछ लोग पाते हैं. वो रियलिटी चेक होना चाहिए. इंडिया के अंदर 98% ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स डोंट गेट फंडेड. सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि वेदर खुद में कैपेबिलिटी है वो करने की कि नहीं इज essential. Self realization, number one. Second, if you have decided कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है, then have a proper planning कि मुझे क्या करना है, and make mistakes. Make as many mistakes as you can, because वो mistakes जब आप करोगे मतलब आपने कुछ नया किया.
Right.
You took a risk, and उस mistake से सीख के you will be more successful. You will add more value. You will know what not to do. Right? So even when I started, it was, I think when I look back, I have done like hundreds of mistakes in my life in terms of business, and I'm very grateful for them. Because
failures are important. If you don't
Exactly.
fail, you'll never be able to understand what success is.
Exactly, and also if you don't fail, it means you didn't take a risk.
Yeah, you've not done anything. Simple.
Exactly. Exactly. You have to challenge norms. You have to do all of that.
Right.
So make mistakes.
Right.
And third is learn how to commercialize things.
This is something which is very important. How do you do this?
So यार problem ये है आजकल दुनिया में, whether it's for everyone, I'm saying कि ideas सबके पास है,
हाँ.
उसको commercialize करना किसी को नहीं आता.
Right.
And I mean literally everyone, even scientists, even like I meet the greatest of the minds in the world. उन्होंने like सब कुछ क्योर कर दिया एक तरह से, सबका solution निकाल दिया, लेकिन बेचना नहीं आता. Commercialize कैसे करना नहीं पता, right? And that's a very important key. One thing is, it's not whether your product is good. Product सबका अच्छा होता है, no one cares. Product लोग नहीं खरीदते. People see the impact it brings. If you're not able to communicate that, वो commercialize नहीं होगा आपका product.
Right.
आप जो बना रहे हो, first of all, figure out who's your target audience.
Chahat, whatever you learned at Mac, okay, आज भी use करते हो?
I would say a
Values,
lot of learning when it comes to interpersonal skills come from there as well. मेरे लिए इंडिया का first exposure वहाँ से था after school life. So it was a very interesting aspect. लेकिन as I said, when you put a lot of creative people together, है ना, तो you are bound to be creative, and creativity कहीं जाती नहीं है. It stays, yeah. Yeah, so and also it has given me a reality check that I carry with me, which is intellectual humility.
Okay.
As I told you, early on, I used to think I'm like in Sydney, I was like the best
perfect
student.
and
Exactly, because
I'm the best.
Yeah, exactly, because I was surrounded by people over there. Maybe वहाँ पे इतना competition नहीं है.
नहीं है, हाँ.
India में थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. So when you come here, you realize कि यार सारे talented हैं. So you are an average person here.
Yeah.
So that intellectual humility is what I carry with me everywhere from Mac. Yeah.
Wow, that's so amazing to hear. So Chahat, let's begin my most interesting part of this podcast, and that's a rapid fire round.
Perfect.
Okay, and one word answers only. So one word for Mac.
Creative.
Creativity.
People.
Entrepreneurship.
Difficult.
Storytelling.
Critical.
Success.
Perceived.
Failures.
Necessary.
Risk.
Essential. Calculated.
Confidence.
With time.
Women in this creative industry are the best, I know, but one word from you.
Needs to be more.
One word for A Square Capital.
Ecosystem.
India.
Growth.
Thank you so much, Chahat, for being our guest on Mac Rendered. And trust me, I really enjoyed my conversation with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And to everyone watching, stay creative, stay curious, and never stop learning. This is Mac Rendered.